of tropical architecture, its beauty and functionality, has captivated us for years. Today, we embark on a journey to a stunning villa designed by Design Work Group, nestled near Surat, India. Here, the landscape unfolds with a breathtaking panoramic view of a river and a grove of mango trees. The main living and dining areas are envisioned as light and airy glass boxes nestled within a larger garden room. This creates a seamless connection between the interior and exterior spaces, blurring the lines and inviting nature in. Their vision was to create a villa where distinct sections retain their individual character while maintaining a cohesive whole. The central living space, dining area, and bedrooms were meticulously designed to maximize the panoramic river views and internal courtyards. The villa unveils itself gradually. The circulation path is carefully planned to reveal spaces progressively, creating an experiential journey for the visitor. From the intimate entrance pavilion, we transition to the expansive entrance water courtyard. Here, a sense of serenity washes over you, with lush trees and a central Nandi statue anchoring the space. The architects believe every project is a unique conversation between the designer and the future inhabitant. This particular villa embodies that spirit, catering to the client's vision of a haven that seamlessly integrates with its surroundings. Spatial sequencing, strategic framing of vistas, and meticulous light control were employed to craft a diverse and captivating experience within the house. Each space offers a unique atmosphere, unfolding like a narrative throughout the villa. The villa embraces a minimalist aesthetic with furnishings that seamlessly blend into the overall design. Carefully curated artworks add a touch of personality while maintaining a casual and inviting atmosphere. In contrast, the bedroom block serves as a solid counterpoint, offering private courtyards and breathtaking river views on the opposite side. The swimming pool, strategically positioned to capture the sunset's magic, boasts an infinity-edge design, further enhancing the sense of being one with the river. The material palette celebrates natural finishes. Roughly textured stone walls, warm teak wood, textured lime walls, and Indian stone flooring combine to create a sense of rustic elegance. Their passion lies not just in creating beautiful spaces, but in crafting environments that resonate with their inhabitants. It's about honesty, dedication, and a deep respect for how design interacts with its context. This villa embodies that philosophy, offering a sanctuary that fosters connection with nature and creates a lasting sense of peace. Here's a look at the floor plans of the home.